This is Srikanth Polikarla. Here is my final project, classifying heart sounds. Here's the agenda. We look at the project objective, data set, EDA, model building, challenges and next steps. Cardiovascular diseases are the #1 cause of deaths in the world as per WHO. This project aims at classifying different heartbeats into normal, murmur and extrasystole based on the digital recording of the heartbeat. The data set is taken from the heartbeat challenge. The data set chosen is B, and it has WAV files and noisy heartbeat files are deleted. As part of EDA, I chose Librosa and visualized various sound waves, spectrograms, MFCCs, and their first and second derivatives. I also sample the data at lower dimension, a lower frequency to reduce dimensionality. I split the data into train, validation, and test. There are about 200 normal heartbeat samples, 66 murmur, and 46 extrasystole heartbeats. Here is how a normal heartbeat sounds like. There are lub and dub sounds, if you can hear here. The lub and dub are also called S1 and S2 sounds. As you can see in the wave plot, you can clearly see the S1, S2, S1, S2 pattern in the normal heartbeat, and in extrasystole, sometimes after S1, S2, S1, S2, you may have an S1 followed by an S1. So this could be a sign of a heart disease. I plotted MFCCs, the first and second derivatives here. As part of model building, I used MFCCs stored as NumPy arrays, and the output is a classification between these three categories. I used ReLU as the activation function and softmax activation function for the output layer, con 2D layers, dense layers, dropouts, and max spooing layers. On data not seen by the model, I received about 80% accuracy. So there were challenges, so I overcome them by saving the model so that I don't have to rebuild and refit again. And then finally, I would like to build other models and use bigger data set, and also automate this using Azure ML or Luigi. Thank you.